Today I'm going to look at the Roomba Combo app and how you use it to change the dividing lines in rooms so that you can focus cleaning on particular areas, and on how you change the room labels. So first, let's go to the map of the home. You click on the blue marker, which is towards the top right here, not the word map, but the blue marker itself. Then you get this white oblong. Don't click on the three dots. I repeat, don't click on the three dots. You just click on the center of the white oblong. Then you get the house, and this is the ground floor of my house. It's divided into 4 areas. And you can see I've got 2 kitchens, which isn't correct, and I've got a family room and a living room, and those aren't correct either. So we're going to change those. But first of all, I'm going to change the where the line is. So first we need to go to room dividers. So click on the bottom left, room dividers, and you can see room dividers highlighted in blue. So click on the divider you want to change. So I'm going to click on the one which says living room, which is relevant to the one saying living room rather, which is in fact a hallway. So I'm going to click on this line, and you see it zooms in. Now if you wanted to move it, but if you want to drag it up and down, just drag up and down like so. If you want to make it move anti-clockwise or clockwise, you just twist it in the relevant direction. Now I just want to place it up against this wall so it divides the room here. Now I'm going to place it like this, but what you notice is it's going past it. It's got a bit of inertia that makes it difficult to do. So what I found is easiest is to zoom back out, and then it's less sensitive to you moving it around. Now, so you move it into place, and what you must do is ensure that the dark blue line is not showing over this room, because if we save it and there's a dark blue line here, for example, if I saved it there, it'll cut across this room as well. So we don't want that. So we put the dividing line here. I'll try again. Still a little bit sensitive. Not like so. And then I'm going to save by clicking on the bottom right. And you press place. And then it takes a few seconds, and then it's saved the room spacing. Now, so to get out of the room division setup, you click on the cross at the top left, and now we want to change the room labels. So the living room I want to change to hallway. So first of all, you need to click on room labels. So you do that like so, and then you click on the relevant room label, and then it asks you for the room name. Sometimes it doesn't do that, it just has the existing name on, and then you can just choose another one. But anyway, you get a menu selection below here where there's a lot of preset names which you can choose, or you can choose custom setup. If you go into custom setup, that will give you more options, and if you scroll to the bottom of the next screen with custom options, you'll be able to click on an option that gives you the chance to type in your own unique name. Anyway, I don't need that in this occasion. I'm just going to click on hallway, if I can find it down here. Like so, that's hallway. And I'm going to change kitchen to living room. So if I can find that, hopefully down here, there it is. There we are. So there we are. Now that's done. So top right, I click on the word done. And that's been completed. There you have it for now. Thank you very much.